Old linens, those faithful companions of countless dreams and laundry failures. Today we are giving them the glow-up they deserve. Let's turn Grandma's yellow pillowcases into pristine clouds of fabric glory. Step 1. Tossing these tired pillowcases into a tub. Next up, whitening powder, because we're about to wage war on yellow stains. And here comes the kettle, delivering boiling justice. Careful, don't give yourself a fabric whitener facial. Let's double down with more powder and water. And yes, I'm stirring with a tablespoon. Call me Gordon Ramsay of laundry. This is basically my intuitional version of a science experiment at this point. My intuition keeps telling me that I need to add more powder and hot water. And stirring. Hot water. Time to seal this masterpiece with food film. Let this potion bubble overnight. Oh wow! Look at that! It's already a zillion times better! Gloves on, time to play laundry scientist. But wait, still a hint of yellow. Round 2, more powder right where it counts. Right there. Look at this transformation. I'd say mission accomplished.
Thanks for hanging out with me during this laundry adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone whose linens need some serious TLC. See you next time.